maglalaro tayo ng Sing a Song with the Word Challenge with my sibling. Let's go. Ikaw na. 1, 2, 3. One,
Can
two,
say
let's go. Say you love me too.
Walang ganun.
Walang sino na next?
Ako.
Okay, go. Tapos pwede ito dito.
Happy,
2,
happy
three.
birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
One,
Don't.
2, 3.
Don't.
Don't say you love me. Ano naman? No, you're fine. No, you're fine.
Mali. Walang ganun.
No, you're fine. Okay, go. Nakapanta tama.
I love you, mommy.
I love you, mommy. I love you, mommy.
Ako na naman. Why?
1, 2,
1, 2, 3.
So, abangan nyo na lang yung part 2.